Clean energy means this is the energy generated without the help of fossil fuel, means petrol, diesel, coal, gas, without burning. That is clean energy. One of the oldest and prestigious company, Ntpc, is planning to invest 16 lakh crores as a capex plan to go for clean energy through nuclear growth. The Ntpc is expecting raising its capacity to 250 gigawatts in the next 11 years. Now the Ntpc is set to make the biggest ever investment, earmarking more than 16 lakh crores, that is 175 billion, in the coming next 11 years to transition from a coal-fired power producer to a diversified clean energy company. It has begun nuclear site studies in 10 states, including Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, to identify locations for a nuclear reactor projects. Now the Ntpc is planning to expand its plants in more than 10 units. In 10 units, spread into many states of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Nuclear power will form the next leg of power play. So, pursuing the conventional pressurized heavy water sectors, reactors as well as advanced reactor technologies, the energy regulators are preferring to go up for nuclear energy. Renewable energy, of course, would be the key driver for NTP's future growth. Ntpc, as a prestigious organization, wants to take the lead for clean energy generation by guiding the other investors, by motivating the other energy companies to opt for clean energy or green energy without depending upon the energy generated through fossil fuels. Means the Ntpc is shifting its energy generation from fossil fuel, petrol, diesel, gas, coal to clean energy through generation of power through nuclear power. As Ntpc is studying 10 sites to establish this clean energy sites in some states of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. The company is also building a 1 lakh crore green hydrogen hub, 1200 acres in Visakhapatnam to produce hydrogen and downstream green fuels and chemicals. Means India's peak power demand means the Ntpc is going to establish a hydrogen hub by investing 1 lakh crore in 1200 acres near Visakhapatnam to produce hydrogen and downstream green fuels and chemicals. India's peak demand during the month of June 26 was 271 gigawatts. The Central Planning Authority, Niti Aayog, is planning to achieve a target of 750 gigawatt generation by 2050. Means the Niti Aayog is expecting the demand of peak power will increase. Peak power demand will increase to 750 gigawatt by 2050. It means the Niti Aayog is expecting the energy companies to generate clean energy and green energy without depending upon the fossil fuel. So, with this purpose, the Ntpc is trying to invest more than 16 lakh crores in coming 11 years to undertake clean energy through as a nuclear energy 10 sites in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Means the future is going to be nuclear power generation rather than depending upon the power generation with the help of fossil fuel. Means burning power generation with the help of burning the fuel. The Ntpc is planning to generate energy as a clean energy and green energy